Okay, before we operate the machine, we need to make sure, we need to check the emergency button. Emergency button here, we need to check in the correctly. If we need to put it, we need to open it. When we put this, the machine is done show on the screen. So first we need to make sure that we need to check the emergency. Okay, and we need to put the machine on the flat floor like this. We make sure when we check all the machine connect to the floor. Okay, and we went to establish all the steel bar point rotating layout. Then we establish all, and we make sure the machine is ready. And the one thing we connect with the power. We need to focus on when we connect the machine with the power supply. Here the single phase 220 volts, and the frequency is 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, we measure that we need to connect the machine to line. Okay, if you don't have under, you need to use a lead, or we need to use another tool to change transform the supply transformer.